hair braided. I'm getting super small nose braids to my butt. How long is this going to take? I have no idea. I barely remember the ladies' work, honestly. This could either go really good or really bad. So yeah. But the thing I hate the most when I get braids is when they're not long enough. So as long as they're long enough, we can make it do what it do. So it is almost 9 o'clock, like 10 till 9. My appointment's at 10. What I need to do is finish packing my bags. I'm going to bring some things such as things to edit. I got a bunch of headphones. I got 2 pairs of headphones. They're actually charging now. They're done right now. Perfect. Okay. I want to be able to edit, so I'm charging my computer, packing my headphones so people don't have to hear the nonsense I'll be talking about. I never had to put my earring in. Damn, where is the earring? I just shoved stuff in there. I think it's in here. Oh, that was dumb of me. Oh, did I lose my earring? Well, or I think I put in a small one. I don't remember. Oh, God. I'm just not doing what I need to be doing, essentially. Moving right along, I guess. Okay, so I have all my SD cards in here. Why in here, you might ask? To protect them. I actually had a piece of jewelry come in this. You just clip it and it like stays safe. I don't know. I like repurposing things, so that's one of the things I repurpose. Some cards just in case. Yeah, I'll need them. I'm not gonna need this camera because I'm taking y'all, so I'm gonna set that to the side. I'll bring this just in case. Hand sanitizer, I don't need to clean. I do need something for moisture. Okay. And then my editing supplies, I gotta have my adapters, got to. My computer, I'm just gonna put it halfway in here. The rest of this stuff, I don't really need, honestly. Yeah, I don't. Okay. Car key. Alright, that's done. I need some food and water. Definitely need some water. I'm gonna fill up one of these jugs. I went out last night, so I just finished like drinking a whole one. Not gonna lie. I need that moisture in my body. You can hear it in my rasp. Alright, y'all. I am dressed. This is my outfit. Wearing comfy shoes, comfy everything. I'm gonna be sitting for a long time. I got my drinks, I got water, coffee. I packed a lunch really quick. Sorry, I forgot to show you, but I had like a little stuff to make a sandwich. Got some fruit, some yogurt. I'm trying to be somewhat healthy and not order food. Yeah, I just spilled coffee all over myself. I'm actually so irritated. I got the money for the braids. When I'm not feeling my best though, which I'm not feeling my best right now, I tend to budget for the time that it's going to take me to be slow. And I'm always quicker than I think, but I need to be that way because I don't want to be rushing. You know what I'm saying? I cannot be out here, Imperial Walk. I cannot be out here rushing. Like, I just can't. So, yes. Now, though, what's about to go down? But now, that's what I was going to say. You guys know me. I be forgetting what I'm talking about. So, I got a few minutes now to spare, like a lot of minutes to spare. So I think what I'm going to do is I've been trying to like apply for part-time jobs to get, it don't matter. I got some things to do. So I'll probably just do that, like, not to be creepy in her driveway or anything, but like near the house. And then when it's time, I'll pull up and do what needs to be done. So, yeah, just a few things on the phone that I need to get done. Scratch that. So now that I have a couple extra minutes, approximately 20, I have some things that I need to do on my phone, some things I need to look up, some emails I need to catch up on, you know what I'm saying? Those types of things. So I'll do that, and so I won't be creepy. I won't be like in her driveway or anything like that, because it's at her house. So I'm going to just do that and then pull up when it's time for the braiding to begin. Pray to God, guys, that it goes quickly. I really want to be out. We're starting at 10, so I really want to be out of there by 5 at the latest. Like, honestly, I'm not trying to be there all day. I'm not. Like, maybe 6, but I really want to clean up and like get ready for the week. Like, I was able to do some things yesterday, but I want to finish what I started, type deal. So hopefully, fingers crossed, she's a quick braider. Hopefully these parts are just delectable. I'm just hoping for the best, because y'all, I've seen one person have their hair done by them, and I was like, oh, who did your hair? And they told me. I have not seen this person's work. I have not seen any photos. I've asked for social media. I've asked. They said that they don't have none of that. They ain't got that. So this person is really off the grid. But $220 for some small knotless to the butt, I can't get over that price. Like, that price is so freaking good. And I think I already referred another friend of mine to her. So I'm like the guinea pig. I'm the test dummy. If these ain't good, she gonna cancel her appointment. So, but if they not good, then I'm gonna just be there mad that I have braids that aren't good. I will catch you guys at her house. I'm not gonna record her. I don't know her like that, and I'm not gonna put her on the spot. But I'm gonna show y'all as much as I can of the process, okay? Alright guys, I'm finished. I did not feel comfortable recording at all up in there. Yeah, so my experience was it was just straightforward, honestly. Like, got in, we started at 10:17, and then we finished just now. It's 3:28. It's not even close to 5 o'clock, so that's nice. Yeah, it's like flat, which I like. I like that a lot. What else was I about to say? We had one little rift, and it was because she was combing my hair out, but she wasn't like, you know, you start at the ends and then work your way to the top. No, she started at the top and then just dragged my hair, so I feel like hella hair got lost. So, and they had like a blow dryer and like a vent comb. So I was just like, why aren't you using those tools? So I said, hold on. And she was like, you want to comb your hair? So that kind of pissed me off. But yeah, $220. And for that, no tip was given. No tip was given. But, I mean, they're really long. I asked for butt length, so that's definitely what I got. Definitely. I'm about to go home, I think. Like, I still can't believe, like, I'm done. So I'm about to head over in that direction as soon as I can pull up the app. I know where I am, though. I don't know why I'm acting like this. I know where I am. So, like,
All right, y'all, so a day or so has gone by, and since then I decided to take a bird's eye view picture of my head. I can't find the picture, so sorry, but if you follow me on TikTok, you've seen it. The parting was horrible, you guys, horrible. The quality of the braids, great, but the parting was terrible. And not only was the parting terrible, I asked for small. These are clearly not small. These are medium, like not even medium. There's not that many braids in my head. Y'all, I really hated this style. I actually found out even later than this that the lady cut my hair, and in addition to gave me horrible customer service when I asked for some type of refund. It didn't have to be a full refund, but she just didn't approach the scenario well. All that to say, I will not ever be going to this lady ever again. There were a lot of green flags, but there were a lot of red flags. Oh, I didn't even mention apparently the lady has other braiders that come in, so she didn't even braid my hair. One of her counterparts did so terribly. And yeah, I did wear these braids for as long as I could, though, not gonna lie. I just needed a protective style, and around this time I started my second job, so I really just had to make it do what it do. But I just wanted to give you a heads up. This is like the best that you could really see, the best angle, but I was not satisfied in the least bit. It looked cute looking head on, but definitely not from the top down. So thanks for watching, guys. I was very upset. Bye.